Yes guys. Welcome to MoneyBus. You can earn $1 in 10 minutes by watching this video. Of course, unlimited. You're in luck. You just need your fingers and 10 minutes of your time. Are you ready? Before start, subscribe my channel if you want to know more about how to make money. Yup. The way to earn $1 in 10 minutes in this video is surveytime. Surveytime is a website that pays its users to take surveys on various topics. The process is simple. You sign up for an account, complete your profile, take surveys, and get money. It's a great way to earn some extra money in your spare time. To get started with surveytime, you'll need to sign up for an account. You can sign up using your email address or your Facebook account. Then, you will be asked to fill out a brief survey, which should be as honest as possible. This is a survey for you to make money through surveys, so it's better to be as honest as possible. Once your survey is complete, earn $1 in 10 minutes by taking surveys. The surveys usually take between 10 to 20 minutes to complete, and you'll earn money for each one you finish. After you've completed a survey, choose a facial expression to describe how your survey experience was. Then, choose how to get money. I got it by PayPal. This is a really easy way to make money. But there's something to be aware of. You shouldn't skimp on the survey. Because they won't pay you if you do a rough survey. In fact, I never got paid when I did a rough survey. So be careful. Just 10 minutes of hard work can earn you $1. Don't lose money by mistake. Then, you can earn at least $30 a month if you do the surveys diligently. This is a really great opportunity, don't miss it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and wait for the next money-making video. Thanks for watching.